drink a cup of tea.
Hey, good morning from Auckland, New Zealand. I'm in a 36-ton Komatsu digger, and just want to say good morning to everyone listening to the Magic Station. Great listening music, and thank you for all your likes, and from overseas, everyone there enjoying this work. I'm a professional driver operator. To show you a little bit of this is the IKEA site in Auckland, Silverdale, Mount Wellington, and we're doing this crushing the concrete here, putting it through the crusher, and it's called a pulverizer. And my partner, my wife Ruby, and I were hoping to get to the Philippines, and I do aerial photography. Skypix.com is my website. We're trying to get into the charity, helping people in poverty and that. I know we've got that in New Zealand too. I'd like to offer my aerial filming with the drones for doing sports and everything like that as well. Beautiful to make people happy in these hard times over here in New Zealand with the flooding. All the farmers, my heart goes out to you guys down Hawke's Bay and Gisborne and all of, and it's just so hard to, you can feel for you guys out there. And I'm a truck driver as well. I do contract driving, machine operating, and I've got mates out there as well driving trucks out there. So I just wish you all have a safe, happy day out there. You all got to stick together and try and share the road a little bit. It's be a bit respectful in the driving. Have your lights on. Even those cars, even when it's cloudy, make sure you got your headlights on so people can see you, so the truckies can see you. Make sure you allow 3 seconds before you change lanes. There's so many accidents up here on the motorway in Auckland, all over New Zealand. Just have a happy day, and we'll get to you. Enjoy my videos on YouTube as well, and like, share and subscribe. Thanks a lot. We'll turn the music up here, listen to the Doobie Brothers. Enjoy the channel. Beautiful morning. We're waking up 6 o'clock. The sun's starting to come up. I've been going since 5 o'clock. So there it is. God bless and have a good day, everyone. Mel McKay, Skypix NZ on Facebook, and my website www.skyp1x, that's skyp1x.com, and Mel McKay on YouTube. Mel McKay, we're signing out. Have a good one.
More of the songs you love.
The songs that make you feel good.
Magic.